In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch boards on Trello. Switching between boards is something you'll do all the time in Trello, especially if you manage multiple projects, teams, or areas of your work. Knowing the quickest, most reliable way to move from one board to another will save you time and help you stay organized. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly how to do it, step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Trello account in your web browser or desktop app. Once you're signed in, go to any Trello board you're already working on. This could be a main project board, a personal to-do board, or any other board you have access to. You can open it from your recent boards, from your workspace, or from a bookmark if you've saved it before. The key is that you're starting from inside a board, not from the home dashboard. With your board open, look towards the top of the Trello interface for the option that allows you to switch boards. Depending on your layout and any updates to Trello's design, this may appear as a Switch Boards button, a Boards dropdown, or a Boards icon near the top left. It's usually close to your board's title or the workspace name. When you click on Switch Boards, Trello will open a panel or menu showing other boards you have access to. This is where you'll actually choose the board you want to move to. In the list that appears, you'll see the names of your boards, often grouped by workspace. Take a moment to scan through and find the board you need. If you work with a lot of boards, look for clear naming conventions you or your team might have set up, like including the project name or department in the board title. Once you've found the right one, simply click on the name of the board you want to switch to. As soon as you click it, Trello will navigate you directly to that board. Your current board will close, and the new one will load with all its lists, cards, and details ready for you to work on. You can repeat this process anytime you need to move between boards. Open any board, click Switch Boards, and then select the board you want. That's all there is to it. By getting comfortable with this simple action, you'll move around Trello much more efficiently and keep your focus on the work that matters.